Hello students, let us continue with our topic voices. Today we are going to do worksheet number 2 related to simple present tense. So let's go through the worksheet. At very first place we are having in active form, they wait for the buses. They wait for the buses. We see that they is the subject here, wait is the verb here, for is the preposition, and the buses is object here. While solving you can also mention it. Now we know that according to rule, object will take the place of subject to make passive voice. So we will write the buses. Now buses, plural subject is here. So we will go with are. The buses are, third form of this verb, wait, waited, waited. The buses are waited for. Now students, don't forget to add the preposition here, that is for, as it is given in active voice. We can't ignore it. The buses are waited for by, they will become them in objective case. The buses are waited for by them. At number 2, we are having sentence, the cobbler mends the shoes. The cobbler mends the shoes. Similarly, we will follow, object will become the subject, the shoes. Now it's plural in case, so we will use the verb are. The shoes are mended. The shoes are mended by whom? By the cobbler. By the cobbler. The shoes are mended by the cobbler. In third sentence, the gardener waters the plants. Now we see that the gardener is the subject here, waters is the verb, and the plants is object here. So we will take object as the subject. The plants, the subject is plural. The plants are watered. The plants are watered by whom? By the gardener. By the gardener. Full stop. In next sentence, my friend calls me. Now we see that my friend is the subject here, calls is verb, and me is object. This is objective case. In order to convert it into subjective case, me will be converted into I. I is always preceded by am in present tense. I am called by my father. By my friend, sorry. I am called by my friend. Full stop. Next is, my teacher teaches me English. Now, my teacher is the subject, teaches is the verb, me is the object, and English is the indirect object. So what do we do? Me will convert it into I. I am teach, taught. I am taught. क्या पढ़ाया जा रहा है? English. I am taught English. I am taught English by whom? By my teacher. I am taught English by my teacher. I hope class that this exercise, this worksheet is quite clear to you. I want you to do it by your own. Keep practicing to get more. Thank you, class.